In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a favicon to an Unbounce landing page. A favicon is that tiny icon that shows up in your browser tab next to the page title. It helps your brand look professional and makes your page easier to spot among multiple open tabs. Let's walk through the process step by step so you can set it up quickly and confidently. Start by opening your landing page in the Unbounce Classic Builder. Make sure you're editing the specific page where you want the favicon to appear. Once the editor loads, look to the panel on the right side of the screen and click the Page tab, sometimes labeled Page Properties. This is where you'll find all the high-level settings for your page. Scroll down in that panel until you see the section called Title and Metadata. Inside this section, look for the option labeled Favicon. This is where you'll attach the small image that browsers use as your tab icon. Click the button that says Change Image. That will open your Unbounce image library, where you can either upload a new file or pick one you've already added. If you're uploading a new image, PNG or ICO files work best, and a square image at 16 by 16 or 32 by 32 pixels is recommended. Keep your design simple and high contrast so it looks sharp at very small sizes. If your logo is detailed, consider using a simplified mark or a single letter in your brand colors, and a transparent background can help it blend in nicely. If the image you want is already in your library, just select it. When you've chosen the right file, click Choose to confirm your selection. You should now see a small preview of the favicon in the settings panel, which is a good sign that it's attached correctly. Next, save your changes in the editor. To make the favicon live on your landing page, republish the page. This step is important. Saving alone won't push the favicon to your live URL. After republishing, open your page in a new tab to check the result. If you don't see it immediately, give it a few minutes or refresh the page. Browsers sometimes cache favicons, so a short delay is normal. That's it. You've added a favicon to your Unbounce landing page, helping your brand stand out and improving the overall polish of your site. Thanks for watching, and happy building.